Hello everyone, we will tell you how to fill the online application form for GS1 India barcode registration. Please visit our website gs1india.org. On the home page, you will get the option Get a barcode. Here you will get the option Register for GS1 barcodes. Now you need to enter your email address and PAN card here. If you want to check the fee that you need to pay, you need to select the turnover slab of your company, then the number of barcodes, whichever you require. These would be the mode of payments. You can make the payment through NEFT also, or demand draft, or pay order also. Let's start filling the form. Here you need to enter your business email. Enter your PAN number here. If it is a proprietorship form, then proprietor's PAN number, else company's. Now click on register now. Mention your company name, address of the company, country, select state, mention city, mention the PIN code, then company legal status, proprietorship, partnership, private limited. Here I am selecting proprietorship. For proprietorship companies, you need not to upload any existence proof here. Now telephone number with STD codes. Facts, if you have, you can mention or leave it. Website address, PAN number would be mentioned here, and here you need to upload the copy of PAN card. Then here you need to mention the GST address and upload the GST certificate. Select turnover proof of last financial year. If it is a new company, mention new company. It should be the latest audited turnover proof. If it is not audited, then you can upload a self-attested turnover. Subscription validity period. Here again you can calculate fee if you want. If your company is registered with MSME, to mention yes, otherwise no. UDI declaration is for those companies who are manufacturing and dealing in medical devices and exporting them to USA. If you are doing that, then yes, otherwise no. You can also generate pro forma invoice. Click on save and next. Reasons for barcoding. From where you are getting the requirement to barcode your product. From where did you get to know about GS1 that the barcodes are required. Then primary contact person, alternate contact person, if the products belong to your company and your company name will reflect on the product label, then select brand owner, else you need to select not the brand owner. Now product categories, whichever products your company deal in, here you need to upload the subscription request letter. From here you can download the sample of the request letter. You can see the request letter sample here. You need to print it on your company's letterhead, make the required changes, mention your company name and number of barcodes here. It should be signed and stamped also. Next step would be the cancel check copy of the company. Then click on save and next option. Here whatever details you have filled, you can see the summary of that. Please submit your rating. It will calculate the fee that you need to pay. It will automatically come. Now you need to fill the TDS amount that you want to deduct. You need to mention the TAN number of the company. Through any mode you can make the payment. If you select on online payment and pay now, it will take you to the payment gateway and you can proceed to make the payment. If you want to pay later, then you need to click on pay later option. If you have already done the NEFT and RTGS, then you need to click on pay now and provide the NEFT details. You will get a note, thank you for applying for GS1 India barcode. Thank you so much.